Hey guys, how's it going? Norse Woodworking here. Today I'm going to be bringing you along to do some portable bandsaw milling. First things first, gotta let the dogs out, and we gotta go prep our truck and trailer with all the supplies. So we're doing a butternut tree, and it should be a pretty good one. Supposedly there's a guy came in, already did some sawmilling, cut up a couple limbs and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna go clean up another job from another guy and slice up some butter. So usually I like to prep the night before, get my truck all loaded up, get the trailer all ready to go. Currently it's mid-March and we just got another snowfall here in Ontario. So yeah, there's a bit of snow, but it is what it is. We're gonna go milling in it, and let's go. It being so cold here in Ontario all the time, anybody who has a sawmill around here would know that we gotta run washer fluid in our lubrication tanks to keep it from freezing up in the wintertime. So that's a lot of fun. Always having lots of washer fluid, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. On the pin system these mills have to hold them to the trailer. So I like to strap the whole sawmill head right down into the actual trailer. That way I know for sure it's not going anywhere. Because the last thing you want is your sawmill on the side of the road.
missed it there?
So unfortunately, I didn't bring extra batteries, which is my fault, and my camera ended up dying, so we weren't able to film the rest of that day. But we got it all milled up. Happy client. Logs came out great. The slabs came out great. So all in all, it was a pretty good, solid day of milling. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.